Hey everyone, I am here to do an unboxing of this really big box. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a pretty big box. Yeah. So first canopy, as you can probably already tell, it's bright, it's orange. That's the way I like it. Alright, I almost got this. Oh, here we go. Alright. So I don't know if you're seeing this, the lighting is good, but love it. So Canomod, XLC canopy, Goblin Black Thunder, as you can see. This part here. Now, this is a XLC, so extra light carbon. So full carbon canopy. Okay. Check out this design. So, right off the bat, I like how they do the pilot. So they do it's a final sticker, and then they airbrush this little star here. And you can see the carbon. So the whole black section of this is all carbon. Okay, and you got your painted bit, and then you have your vinyl work. But look at here, look between the strips here. So they left that exposed, so you see the carbon going through that. Wow, that's beautiful. All the way back. Look at that. Okay, matches up nice and evenly. This orange is a very bright orange, and here with the lighting I have, it does look a little more of a red hue to it, but it really is orange. And the green, it's bright green, it pops. So it's gonna look nice in the air on the heli. All right, so with that canopy, we're gonna have a boom to go with it, and look, all the hardware, every single piece. It has the two parts, the spacer in here, even has your tail servo mounts. Okay, so with the matching canopy, with the custom canopy design, I'm gonna have a custom tail boom design, of course. Oh wow, this is very nice too. Wow, this is solid. So here we go. Same color scheme, same matching color, all painted at the same time. It looks like. Okay. And the green on the bottom, just gonna be nice, nice for orientation and visibility. Okay. So next, that's the Black Thunder. With the Black Nitro, I have the same scheme, same full carbon. This is freaking sweet too. Yeah. So again, full carbon. Okay, and same thing with the stripes here. It's left purposely. So same thing with the Black Thunder. I'm gonna have the same tail boom. This is not gonna look any different because it's just gonna say SAB Heli Division on the back. Same green stripe, same design. So that's good. I'm not even about to open that right now. Okay, so with this other order, I did 3 canopies. There's 3 in here. Oxy 4, Oxy 3, and my Oxy 2. So start with the smallest one. And yeah, it's the red eyes. It's a little bit is nice and orange. And it's Canomod XLC. And so all the black parts are carbon that is showing through from the bottom, clear, just clear coated on top. This looks amazing. Wow. There's a lot of carbon showing on it. Even on the inside, you can see it. You see the weave texture. This is very nice. I mean, it's funny, you can barely fit their logo on here. It's so small. But yeah, even the pilot came out very nice. Right? Let's see. Alright, so same thing with the two. There is tons of carbon showing through. So from the tip you can see here. That is very beautiful. Yes, the weave is very nice, concise. It doesn't kind of, you know, get all messed up as it gets to the corners here. Which here's the Oxy 4. And again, full carbon showing through. Right? Very nice. A little more room on this for the logo. Yeah, this looks fantastic. And Oxy 4, unique wraparound design. Okay.